This smartphone can record all the way to 4K 60. And we are in a 4K 60. Wow, look at the sky. It looks nice. 0.5, which is wide angle. This is how it's going to look like. Vlogging style. It is a bit windy, so I'm not sure about the audio quality. Built-in microphones. All right. Main lens. Like I said, we can switch lenses during the recording, which is very nice. Main lens. That is really cool. Telephoto. It's time for the telephoto experience. 2x. Wow. Now, it's completely electronic zoom, and it's not great. It's one of the worst telephoto I've seen ever. It's like no point of that telephoto. Like, maybe in a shorter distance, if you want to make a macro, it's good for macro. Okay, for macro it's great. But for like viewing, even a license plate, nah, not really. By the way, macro on a wide angle, which is fantastic. What does that mean? It means that we will have autofocus and wide angle lens. There you go. That's great. Front facing camera, also 4K 60. Look at the sky. So it's not overexposing the image to scan out. What if I get out of the frame? Sometimes smartphone likes to brighten up the face. Yeah, a little bit. Right. Do you see the difference? It's more visible with the Chinese smartphones. Do you have autofocus in front-facing camera? We don't. So it's not ideal. Ouch! I wish to have autofocus in wide-angle lens. It would be very nice. But we can zoom. Not why, but we can. Okay, what else do we have in the smartphone? In the photo department, you can zoom a little bit further than 7x, 8x, so, but it is crisp. At least I think so. Is it crisp? Can you read the license plate? Not really, no, it is not. We have blur. We need to tap the subject, so maybe that the tree will be cool. Wow, look at that. That is really cool. So the background is blur and the tree is in focus. I can move around. Maybe let's take something else. If we lose the tree, is it going to stay on the tree? It is staying on the tree. That is cool, really cool. Active video stabilization. In the photo department, you need good light conditions. Like in a sunny day, you can see the whole picture is sharp and a lot of details. Some of the landscapes will came out really good. Color accuracy also a little bit oversaturated, but just a tiny bit. HDR for you, just a tiny amount of HDR. This video is not HDR, but still you get the idea. A little bit of macro, which is a little bit out of focus. And on the smartphone, it feels like the whole thing was in focus. But when you, yeah, that's what it is. When we enter a lower light conditions, you can see a little bit of gray, a little bit of noise is present. Like in the video, like in the photo. So, yeah, that's what it is. Color accuracy, like I said, you need a good light conditions. At night, a little bit of blur image, just a tiny bit. That grass is, yeah. It feels like you will have a medium range smartphone, but it all depends how you prepare yourself for the photo. You see, with this one, I've make adjustment. I've placed that dog in the good light conditions, and it came out really nice. So, like I said, you need to prepare yourself, and then you will get the reward. Like I am, flowers. This smartphone feels like a medium-range smartphone. If you want to market for the best photo experience, go for the Pro version. And I think that's all I have. Thanks for watching, and see you next video.